Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be making scratch offs. So for this you need paper, paintbrush, scissors, paint, tape, and markers. Let's get to it. So first take your paper and draw out whatever you'd like. So I'm drawing out a heart with my name on it. Now take tape and cover all of your drawing up. Don't miss any spots. Now take your scissors and cut along the outline, but only the parts where you have tape. Now take your paint, acrylic paint, and add a glob to your drawing, and then spread it evenly with your paintbrush. Don't miss any spots. When you have fully covered it, let it dry for a bit and get back to it. A trick is to use a blow dryer if you don't want to wait that long, but parental guidance is advised since you can be burned by the blow dryer if you put it on a too high level. So now your scratch off is done. You can use a pencil, paintbrush, or a coin to scratch it off, and let's scratch off like this. I'm using a pencil. So at the end, it will look like this. Bye!